Sitholakale lapha isidumbu sikaMichelle Umbrell obeneminyaka eyi-12 ubudala. Ubaba kaMichelle uthi ingane yakhe bebeyibike ukuthi inyamalele ezinsukwini ezine ezidlule.
The community members have found her and said to us that there's a child laying in the bushy area and we must come see. It looks like it is our child. You can imagine yourself, because to find out it's your child that was laying in the bush, actually murdered, and I don't want to actually say the word, but she was also been raped also, and you can find yourself how terrified we were.
Le ndawo atholakale kuyo uMichelle ayikho kude nakubo. Kuyo leyo ndawo kukhona enye okungaziwa ukuthi kuhlala bani kuyo. Kusolakala ukuthi uMichelle ubelokhu egcinwe khona lapha.
We came across that shelter there where she lied, and we found various of things there. Twiza bottles, there was Twiza, or I don't know, it's drink up of Twiza in one bottle. We saw a teki there, one teki of a young male.
Amaphoyisa anxusa noma ngabe ubani ongaba nolwazi ngalesi sigameko ukuba eze nganeno.